Hi, I'm Andrew Lowsutea Recipe. Hey, it was so good now to see you again this week. And you know what? A lot of our customers say, hey Andrew, we had all these good recipes last time you make, with lunch, with dinner. How about give you some more breakfast recipe? Because breakfast is such an important, day that you can able to start off and make sure your blood sugars are being normal because you eat your breakfast. But I need the breakfast to be low carb, okay? So I say yes, we can do that. 各位朋友，我係 Andrew 啦，Lowsutea Recipe 你好。嗱，好多堂友咧就話俾我聽，喂，你已經同我搞咗我哋好多，即係食晏晝啊，食dinner 啊，咁但係哇，原來我仲要需要啲嘢咧係好正嘅早餐，令到即係人生都舒服啲啦，啱嘅。因為咧其實咧一個糖尿患病者唔應該咧淨係要食哇好簡單嘅，其實呢個係好多。今日教你煮嘅嘢係3 gram carb。Today we teach you the eggs Benedict is only 3 gram carb, so it's really a very wonderful dish, and you're gonna enjoy this really wonderfully. So what I have ingredient here is we have spinach, 1 cup. We have cherry tomato, 1 cup, and it's also half a cup of onions, and then we have bacon, about half a cup, half ham, and also 1 cup of broccoli, and then we have cheddar cheese and also mozzarella cheese. Very simple. Plus we have 10 eggs. We beat the 10 eggs until it really becomes smooth. You put it in a mixing bowl, and then you can make that. So I'll show you how to do that. 嗱，其實好簡單嘅，材料裏邊咧有 spinach 啦，有 tomato 啦，有 onion 啦，即係葱啦，切碎咗佢一級嘅 tomato， 1 cup 嘅 spinach， 1 cup 嘅杯嘅呢個葱。咁仲有咧就係有bacon 啦，同埋呢個火腿，咁仲有咧 broccoli。咁同埋咧啲 cheddar cheese 同埋 mozzarella cheese， 咁最緊要有10隻雞蛋，發咗佢，再加 salt and pepper，OK，salt and pepper， 咁就搞掂㗎啦，係咁多。So very simple. Let me show you the first thing we do. So I put the broccoli into here, okay, half a cup, like that, and then I put some, bacon here, okay. Now, okay, a little more, okay. And then that's it. Then I will put another one, mix another variety. Put this one, okay. I put this in here. This is the spinach. I put some of the onions, a little bit more, some cherry tomato. Okay, you can see how nice. And I will put a little bacon. Okay, just to be a little bit bacon. Okay, and so now I have 2, okay? Now I'm going to put another one like this, with this, also broccoli too. Again, this one broccoli, a lot of broccoli, very, very nice. Some ham. I put a little bit of ham and mix it, doesn't matter. And that's it. And then I will put another one. Let's see. I will put this in here, into here. And a little bit more vegetable. It's very simple. Now you can mix some more actually, but I'm gonna stay at this stage. Some ham, so we got a little bit make it interesting. A little bit ham in this one too. Okay, now, I will put a little more here. Okay, good. Now we do that, and what we do is just pour the egg, and then we put the cheese in, some of the cheese into here, some cheese. Put the cheese in here. Okay, and we'll put some mozzarella cheese in this one. Some mozzarella cheese in there. Now you have some extra because we have more to go. And all you do and put the eggs into it. 嗱，咁擺咗 cheese， 擺咗bacon。擺咗所有嘅 ingredient 咧，咁你就可以擺啲雞蛋落去啦。好容易啊！ OK， you see how easy？ 好簡單。OK， wow， this is so good。OK， 差唔多啦。嗱，我哋未煮嘢之前咧，最緊要咧就要擺啲olive oil 喺個 pan 底下，咁就唔會塞住。OK，so before you cook, you put some olive oil onto this bowl. That's it, and then you can go from here. Now, all we do from here is just put the egg into the oven, 170 degrees C, to bake it 20 to 25 minutes. 嗱，做晒之後咧，我就擺呢個成套嘢入去嗰個oven。咁 oven 咧就係大概焗呢個20至25分鐘，170度。OK，so 350 degrees C, and also will be 170 degrees C and or 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, so we'll go from here. That's all we'll do. Okay, good. So we'll go pick it now, and then we'll go from here. We'll turn on the camera, and we'll see you in about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. See you later. Hi, I'm Andrew Lowsutea President. You know what? The oven just ding, and then now I take the egg muffin out. Now, as I mentioned earlier, when we make the egg muffin, you can actually make it any style. You can put ham, you can put bacon, you can put broccoli, you can put spinach, you can get the cherry tomatoes. You can put all kind of things in it just with the eggs. Beat the egg well and just put it in there and bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. So I bake it about 25 minutes at 170 degrees C or 350 degrees C. And after that, you let it cool off in about 10 minutes. Then now you can switch that into a plate. So the muffin is look like just a real muffin. Anyway, put it here. It's so good. I'll show you a little way how to do it. Hi， 各位朋友，我係 Andrew Lowsutea President。嗱，啱啱個焗爐就叮，搞掂咗出嚟。嗱，好靚仔喎你啊！其實呢個muffin 咧，你可以用乜嘢擺落去都得嘅。佢只係3個 carb 嘅啫喎 ，only 3 gram carbs。咁3個 carb 咧，你可以擺 ham 啦，擺bacon 啦，擺 broccoli 啦，擺cherry tomato 啦，又可以擺 spinach 啊，乜嘢擺落去得嘅。其實任你擺咗，或者你擺到中意嘅嘢，你擺落去焗，咁有意續，其實即係10零分鐘搞掂嘅東西，咁都係焗啦，要20分鐘啊。咁好簡單嘅 ，so it's so easy to make. It's a very nourishing breakfast because it is what? It is a breakfast with 3 gram carbs, a lot of protein because a lot of eggs help you to build muscles, and also is a lot of vegetable because we put spinach in there or put broccoli in there. It's excellent for your health. So let's see how this is gonna go. So I get one of these and then flip it over the plate like that, okay? And then all you do just open it up this way, and guess what? Wow! You know what? This is like an actual muffin. Now you can actually turn the muffin up over here too, to get it nice, and then you can put some berry here too to make it wonderful. So I will try a little bit. You can see how it look like. How wonderful it is! It's beautiful. 嗱，其實好易做咗出嚟，彈咗肉嘅嗰個 muffin 出嚟之後咧，咁咧你可以擺啲 berry 啊，啲嘢落去就好靚仔嘅，可以擺strawberry 一齊側邊啦。咁食咧又好容易食嘅，咁啊睇下好唔好食先。嗱，裏邊就咁樣嘅，睇下幾靚仔 ，so nice. Inside is how good it is. OK， 好靚，好容易做。嗱，我試下好味先。哇，好香啊 ，very fragrant。Wow, it's very delicious. Wow, this is very good breakfast. Don't get your stomach to be empty. Build some protein. You keep your blood sugar always constantly good, but this is truly delicious. So, Andrew Lau, I will see you next week. 嗱，各位朋友，呢個真係十分好食，有意做。大概呢係大概10分鐘 preparation 準備功夫，然後之後呢焗埋晒25分鐘，哇，半個鐘頭呢就十分靚仔，同埋呢可以擺 strawberry 喺側邊啊，哇，裝飾又靚，又容易做又好食。咁你整一個呢，成家都係食到幾好啊。OK，so Andrew Lau Lowsutea Recipe，下個禮拜再見，拜拜。